Here's how to download and install a new font so it works inside Affinity Designer. Find the font you want. Google Fonts, DaFont, and Font Squirrel are reliable free sources. Download the font file, which will usually come as a zip archive. Right-click the zip and select Extract All, then click Extract to unzip it. Inside the extracted folder, look for files ending in TTF or OTF. These are the actual font files. Both formats work equally well in Windows and Affinity Designer. Right-click each font file and select Install, or Install for all users if you want it available to everyone on the machine. Windows will register the font immediately. The important step most people miss. If Affinity Designer was already open when you installed the font, you must close and reopen it. Affinity loads its font list at startup and will not detect fonts added while it is running. Once reopened, the new font will appear in the font selection dropdown wherever you use text tools. If the font does not show up after restarting Affinity, go to Windows Settings, then Personalization, then Fonts to verify the installation completed successfully. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.